welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to learn about the excretion and the liver. All of us know, as we have so many times discussed, that liver is basically the largest gland of our body. It performs a lot of function in our body, but the main is it helps in the excretion. So how does it helps in excretion? It actually converts the amino acids into the urea, and urea is the toxic substance for our body, and it needs to be removed out. That work is done by the kidney. So it's basically is making or uh, converting amino acid into urea, but kidney is removing that. And the second important function is the formation and the breakdown of the red blood cells and many other functions. So let's discuss the functions of liver and how does it detoxify our body in this video. What are we going to learn in this video? Number one, the importance of removing metabolic waste, including the carbon dioxide and the nitrogenous waste, which is urea. The histology and the structure of the liver we'll discuss later. But the formation of urea in the liver we are going to discuss, including an outline for the ornithine cycle. So we are going to learn this one in detail. Um, then the role of liver in detoxification. So first of all, let's learn what is excretion. So it is the removal of waste products of metabolism. Now, what is metabolism? Is like different reactions taking place in our body. So number one is the carbon dioxide. There is exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the alveoli. Now, how the carbon dioxide is formed? The carbon dioxide is formed as a result of respiration. So it's a metabolic reaction. Then bile pigment is produced as a result of it is produced from dead cells. Then urea is produced from the amino acids. And mineral salt is produced as a result of various metabolic processes. And water is also one of the waste product, but it is very important for our body as well. So these are the main excretory products. Number one is the lungs that removes the carbon dioxide, while the excretory system, this one that includes the kidney, the urethra, the urinary bladder, um, it um, it removes the urea from our body in the form of urine. So the very first one is the carbon dioxide. So we respire. Now respiration is different from the breathing because it is the production of energy from the food, and along with energy the carbon dioxide is produced. So the lungs are the one which excrete these one, and if they are accumulated in high amount in our body, definitely it's toxic. So it competes for oxygen for space, and if oxygen is not bind to or like hemoglobin or red blood cells, then energy cannot be produced. So a carb amino hemoglobin has low affinity for oxygen, so it's a Bohr shift. So we'll discuss Bohr shift in some other video. It reduces pH of blood, but when the blood pH of blood is around 7.3, 7.4, it's buffer, and it needs to be maintained. If not, then there are many like you can say diseases or many adverse effects in our body. One of them is the acidosis, in which the breathing rate increases a lot because uh, when we breathe in more, we actually breathing in the oxygen, so it increases the breathing rate. So now the urea is produced from liver from excess amino acids, and deamination is a process that does this. So what is deamination? Deamination, amino acid with the help of oxygen is produced into keto acid and the amino acid. The keto acids are converted to carbohydrates or fats. We'll discuss later how. And then the ammonia and carbon dioxide is definitely enters into ornithine cycle. So we are going to learn this ornithine cycle that produces urea and water in detail.